Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing active connections. Turn off Bluetooth, remove any wired plug, and close audio apps. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Sound or Notifications so you can force the system to reevaluate outputs. Next, power cycle the phone, hold the power button and choose Restart. This resets drivers and often clears ghost icons. While the device reboots, gently inspect the headphone jack for lint, and keep a small tool ready to once the phone is back on, you need to address the physical and software audio path. First, apply short bursts of compressed air or use a thin probe to dislodge lint. You are trying to restore the jack's electrical contact. Then, check any adapters or TRRS plugs for bent pins or corrosion and replace if needed. After that, go to App Settings and clear cache for system UI and music or calling apps so stale state data doesn't keep the icons stuck. To finish, force the device to reevaluate audio outputs. Toggle safe mode so only system apps run. If the icon disappears, a third-party app caused it and you can uninstall the offender. If safe mode doesn't help, reset network settings or, on Android, wipe the cache partition from recovery. These steps clear low-level state without erasing personal data. If all else fails, a factory reset will absolutely clear the stuck headphone indicator. Back up first and then reset as the last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.